The Windows Event Viewer is a crucial diagnostic tool, but occasionally, troubleshooting may be necessary, particularly if it stops working. So in this video, learn how to resolve this issue. First, restart the Windows Event Log service. To do so, open Services, find the Windows Event Log service, right-click on it, and choose Restart or Start if it has not started yet. After that, close the window and relaunch the Event Viewer to check if the problem is fixed. Next to that fix is to install the latest Windows updates by opening Settings, click Windows Update, choose Check for Updates to download the latest updates. Additionally, try some generic fixes like checking for system file corruption by opening CMD with admin rights, run the following command, then press Enter. Moreover, you can also temporarily disable Windows security just by searching for it, turn the slider to off, or run the Windows Memory Diagnostic tool just by searching for it too. And those are the ways on how you can fix the Event Viewer if it is not working in Windows 11. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.